Hey everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you back to another tutorial. We're making an adorable Halloween treat box today. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. Isn't this cute? I found these super cute test tube candies at Sam's Club. And in the box, it came with a ton in the box, and then there were 3 different styles. So I thought, how fun to make a cute little stand-up box using one of each. All right, let's get to it. So I started out, I try to pick colors that match the candy. So we have some Highland Heather cardstock. This is 4 3/4 by 9 7/8. I will put measurements on my blog. You can check the link below in the description. Then on the long side, we have scored at 3 inches and 3 7/8 inches. And then on the short side, we have scored at, I think, what did we score at? 1 and 3 7/8. Is that correct? 1. Nope, 7/8 and 3 7/8. That's it. I'll put this on my blog so you make sure you have the correct ones. Okay. Now I'm also on this, so we have kind of a short side, which is our front, and then we have a long side, which is the back. So about 3 inches down, I put just a little tick mark on each side because this is where we're going to do a little bit of trimming. So you can use your paper snips, you can use your paper cutter, but I'm going to trim from this little tick on the edge up to right here at the top of this score line. We'll see if we can get, I'm going to aim for intersecting that right there. Pretty close. Let's trim a little bit more. It's a little easier with the paper trimmer. Okay, that's close enough. I'm going to flip this over and do it from the same side since I'm right-handed. Okay, that's pretty close too. I feel like we can get a little closer though. Trim just a little bit more. Yes, recommended paper trimmer to cut that. Okay, let's flip this back. All right, now I'm going to score or crease all my score lines. Let's get our bone folder in here. Over these. Then I need to cut my little tabs right here for the bottom. I'm just cutting these to the score line. Now, if you want, you could trim up the edges. It doesn't really matter. They're not going to really show. They're going to be inside the box, so yes or no if you want to. The main thing is we want to get the bottom and sides of our box nice and straight. Okay, so I'm going to fold those in, and I'm going to put my tape right here on my 2 shorter tabs, right on the edge. It's tear and tape. That means tear the tape. You don't need to cut it with your scissors. You'll just get your scissors all gummy with adhesive, so you don't have to do that. And then I use my pick tool to just get that backing off. So now I'm making sure that my box is sitting flat because I want it to stand up, so we want to make sure it's nice and square on the bottom, and then fold and press the edges. My flaps together. Put that down. So now I know my box is going to stand up. It's nice and smooth on the edges. All right, so let's decorate. So I have a piece of this fun skeleton paper. The back is just the gray and white striped. But I wanted it to pop, so I'm going to glue this to a piece of basic white that's just an 1/8 inch bigger. So So I think my white is 3 7. This is 3 by 3 on my box front. So this is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then my designer paper is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So I'm just going down 1/8 of an inch on each of the measurements. All right, we're going to glue this right to the front. I have just a teeny bit of the purple showing around the edges. All right, this is a super quick box. All right, I'm going to wrap some ribbon around, and we're just going to tie it in a little bow right on the front. I'm going to do it a little to the right. I want to put a little cute tag on the left. So we'll tie it to the right, and then we might scooch it around if we need to move it a little. Okay, I need to use a little more ribbon here so I can get my thumb in. Oh, come on. Don't call me in the middle of my... And it's just spam, you know it is. It's just robocalls. All right, there we go. Ribbon scissors, cute little angle. Okay, now our tag. I did use my circle dies to cut a white tag and then a little Highland Heather scallop circle to go around it. And I'm gonna put, you put a smile on my face from this stamp set, because all of these little skeletons are funny and smiley. So that's the one we're going to use. And that's it. That's it for stamping. We're going easy with the stamping today. Since we're putting together a box, we don't have to go all out crazy all the time. Some of us just need quick, easy gifts that don't take a lot of time. Okay, so I put 2 dimensionals. I put one on the top and the bottom because I want to kind of make sure, if you have, you know, depending on how your paper's cut, you want to make sure you feature whichever one. I like this guy because he's got the smile. So we're going to make sure he's not covered, and then you can see you put a smile on my face. We're going to stick our treats in. So cute. And they stand right up. What a cute little table favor for a Halloween party. Or a teacher gift or a coworker gift. You can just set it on their table and leave. And then there's plenty of room on the back if you want to write a sentiment or just say to and from, whatever you want to do. All right, I will have measurements on my blog. You can click the link below. And then make sure you check my October 1st video. I have drawings and giveaways all month long. And thanks so much for watching. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.